All right, Jacob, what are we working on today?
Bracket for our welding leads.
Yeah, we're gonna hang up those 250-foot welding leads on the wall whenever we're not using them on Old Smoky, right? That's the 80-foot leads there. So what Jacob's got here, he's gonna make a bracket. He's got one side here kind of done. This right here is gonna mount up on the wall and hang those leads up on it. So you got it square? All right, get ready and let's weld it.
What's that made of?
Just a welding. Alright. Not too bad. It's the first time he's ever touched a MiG welder. He's been, it ain't much of a MiG welder. It's just a little Harbor Freight, little 220 amp. Yeah, a little 220 volt, 170 amp. Alright, looks good. Flip it over. Double check, make sure it's still square. Look good down that other edge. Looking pretty good. All right. Go ahead and weld that other side there. Go for it. All right. Ain't gotta work. What do you think? So now I'll get you to measure the spacing on these, and then we'll weld it, and we'll do another video of that and try to figure out how to mesh them together.